In this video, I'll show you how to create a new design. So we're on the home page once you've signed in, and we're going to go to the left hand toolbar, and we're going to go to the top where it says create, and it has a circle with a plus sign. So we're going to click on create. Once we click on create, we'll see this new tab pop up, and the new tab would give us some suggestion of the different sizes that we could create a design in. And these sizes right here that are showing are some social media sizes that we could use. Alright, so it has an Instagram post size, and it has a story, an Instagram story post size, it has a Facebook story size. So on the left hand side, there's a list of projects that we could create. So we could create a presentation, we could create a social media post, we could edit photos. So if you click on any one of these categories, then it would bring up the size of the design that you can work on. So if we click on presentation, we could see there's a presentation size here. This might be the original type that you normally see in PowerPoint. And there's a mobile presentation, there's a brainstorm presentation size. So if you click on social media, you will have the Instagram story, you'll have Facebook posts, you could have Instagram posts. So when you click on any of these size or templates, it would bring up a design that is the exact size for an Instagram post. So once you post it, it would fit perfectly on Instagram, or in this case Facebook post right here, it would fit perfectly on your Facebook page without breaking down the quality, etc. So if you click on video, then it would bring up the different video sizes for Instagram story, and also other software, other platforms, social media platforms such as Facebook. Alright, so I'm gonna click on social media. So once I click on social media, I'm gonna click on Facebook post. So it's gonna give me a landscape Facebook post size, and it's gonna open a new design page. Alright, so if you want, you could even search for the different templates or the different Instagram and Facebook size in the search bar here. If there's a different type of project you're going to work on, like a website, you could even search for it in the search bar at the top. Alright, for now, let's just do a search for Instagram square. Alright, Instagram. Alright, so we wait a while, and then these are the results so far. So there's an Instagram post square that we could use right here. So I'll click it, and then we'll open our design page. Once we click that, our design page has been opened, and now we're on a square which is ready to be designed on. It's a page, so we could design on this page and have our social media posts ready for Instagram. So I'll just leave it right here for now, and I'll see you in the next video.